there's a fan on the ceiling and it's turning, it's rotating. Reminds me of something. It reminds me of the stars and the night sky. They do the same thing. And look, it's going counterclockwise, just like the stars do right around Polaris. So here's where globe science is not science at all, because everybody that fights the flat earth or goes against the flat earth, they will tell you that that fan turning is evidence that the floor is rotating. That's pseudoscience. We were all taught pseudoscience, and people still keep saying this. You know what? I want to challenge you. Please, in the comments, I want you to, okay, let me put some rules out here. Okay, a gyroscope that you set on the ground that's not moving, and it picks up some kind of measurement, and you can't use that for evidence of the ground turning, because you're setting the gyroscope on something not turning. It's still. And also, swinging a pendulum does not have anything to do with evidence of the earth rotating. So besides those two, can you put in the comments any kind of evidence that the earth is rotating? When the fan on the ceiling or the stars in the sky are rotating, ooh, rain, that does not mean that they're not rotating. It means they are. So when we see the sky in motion and turning, that's an observation. And most of these people say that, no, that's not what's happening. It only looks that way because the ground is rotating. But I do want to hear evidence. I mean, what's your evidence? What's your evidence for the earth rotation besides a gyroscope? And you know what else? Taking a scale and weighing something at the North Pole or near the North Pole and weighing something at the equator or near the equator, that also is not a measurement of the Earth's rotation. That would just be a hypothesis, but you can't, but it's unproven. Because look at the ground. It's not rotating. So if you throw that observation away, you're doing pseudoscience, and that's where you believe your globe. We should just call it globe science. It's pseudoscience. It's any kind of science that helps you with your faith in the globe, your belief in a globe that's rotating. When you don't experience that, you experience, you know what? The ground not moving and the stars in motion rotating. Have a good day. Please put in the comments. I want to see evidence. Somebody's got to have some kind of evidence, because the whole world seems to believe that we're rotating. Why? Tell me why.